Authoritative versus authoritarian.
Sandrock stated, the children with authoritarian parents often have poor communication skills if we compare to children with authoritative parents, because authoritative parents often give more opportunities to their children to express their opinions. Previous research conducted by Arianti Novita also showed that the average level of aggression in children with authoritative parenting was 90.45. In contrast, children with authoritarian parenting styles had a higher level of aggression with an average score 119.77. The statements and research findings are supported by the result of our interviews with two subjects who experience different parenting styles. The result is like this.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, so my name is I'm from the Faculty of Cultural Studies.
Halo. Halo. Can you introduce yourself?
Nama saya biasa disapa. Saya dari Desain Grafis 22 Vokasi UPI.
What parenting style did you receive from your parents?
Authoritative parenting has the following characteristic. 1. Allowing children to make choices like choosing their clothes. 2. Flexible routines without strict demands, such as not requiring immediate study after school. 3. Focusing on self-awareness rather than control. For example, first interview with parents, do not force her to study before exam. Instead, they let her decide and respond honestly to her achievement, helping her develop the awareness to make efforts toward satisfying result. Authoritarian parenting, on the other hand, has the following characteristic. First, enforcing strict rules, like limiting play area and social time. 2. Imposing harsh consequences for rule breaking, such as repeated calls to the child or friends. 3. Closely supervising children to the lack of trust, often by checking with others about their whereabouts.
How does this parenting style affect you when interacting with others, such as with friends at school or at home?
The social impacts experienced by children who are raised with an authoritative parenting style includes 1. Higher tolerance for social mistakes. 2. Have courage to address or confront mistakes made by others toward them. 3. Good emotional regulation. 4. Greater emotional tolerance toward friends. And last, very good communication skills. Meanwhile, children raised with an authoritarian parenting style tend to experience 1. Being rigid in social interaction. 2. Feeling more comfortable when alone or individualistic. 3. Tend to be selfish and stubborn. And last, easily angered when things don't meet their expectations.
What parenting style would you like to apply in your future, and what are your hopes regarding the parenting style you plan to implement? Both interviewees want to apply parenting style influenced by their own childhood experiences. The first interviewee chose an authoritative parenting style but wants to improve on her childhood experience, which she felt was too permissive. She hoped to give her child freedom while still providing clear guidance, so the child feels supported rather than left without direction. Meanwhile, the second interviewee leaned towards a more flexible authoritarian style. She wants to set boundaries but without being too strict, allowing the child to develop their potential to the fullest.
Authoritative parenting gives children freedom with direction, forming a confident and tolerant person. In contrast, authoritarian parents tend to be rigid and restrictive, making children more introvert and irritable. In first interview, we chose authoritative parenting because she wants to give freedom but still guide her child. The second interviewee chose authoritarian, which is more flexible, wanting to set limits but still giving space for children to develop optimally.